Hi guys, in the previous videos you have already understood what is thermochemistry and what is the application of system and surroundings. Let's do another problem of system and surrounding application. We already know what is Q equal to mCT formula now stands for. Let's go over the problem. Let's read the question first. 1 liter of water at 1 degree Celsius is warmed by the addition of 4 kilojoules of heat. What is the final temperature of water? Let's write on what is given first. Now remember, because water has a density of 1, so water mass is going to be equal to the water volume. So if we are given volume of water to be 1 liter, that means the mass of water is also 1, but this is 1 kilograms. Now we are given mass of water to be 1 kilograms, or we can say 1000 grams. Temperature is given to us as initial temperature, so we would write it as Ti equal to 1 degree Celsius. We know that this temperature is going to be increased because we are adding heat to water, but we don't know what would the final temperature be. So that is our question mark. Next thing we are given is the energy, and energy is given to us as 4 kilojoules. We can write it as joules, so because 1 kilojoule is 1000 joules, so this can be written as. Now the formula that we need to use is Q equal to mc delta T. C we already know from the previous video is specific heat capacity, and for water we had already memorized, and that was 4.19 joules per gram degree Celsius. Let's apply the formula now. All we have to do is what we have been given, we will just substitute it in here. Before substituting delta T, we just need to understand what this delta T means. This delta T is the change in temperature, or in other words, this delta T can be called T final minus T initial. Because here we are given temperature in two separate forms as a T initial and T final, so we would just reframe the formula and rewrite it as T final minus T initial. Now we would substitute in all the values. Q is 4000, mass is given to us as 1000, specific heat capacity is given to us as 4.19. T final is what we are looking for. That's what they want you to find out, final temperature. T initial is given to you as 1 degrees. Make sure the temperature stays in degrees Celsius. Now all we have to do is just isolate TF, that is your T final. So we can see that here we just have to find out the product of this. That gives us 4190. And this is T final minus 1. We can just take this over on the other side and we can divide it by 4000. And we would be left with T final minus 1. When we put this on the calculator, let's see what we get. It gives us 0.9546. We can write it as 0.95 because we have been given 3 significant digits. So we just make sure that we write it down in 3 significant digit form. So it will be 0.955. If you want to learn about significant digits, you watch our video regarding significant digits. So my final T is, I'm just going to move this minus 1 over and it becomes plus 1, is going to be 0.955 plus 1, which gives us 1.955 degrees Celsius. That's our final temperature, and here we are done with the question.